won't be seen for now. You can see this is how your video looks like. If you want to add any animation, as I talked earlier, go to the page, select the font or the image, click on animate, and then you can use any of them. So let's see how it looks. This is how it appears. Now, after you have created your video, similarly, you can add lots of different pages, make it long as you want, add audio file, upload lots of different things that you want, add text. Similarly, you can add emojis as well. Go to the emojis. If you want to use any of them in your video, click on this. Here you can see it appears like this. You can resize it, keep it as you wish so that your video looks good. Now talking about the logos feature, click on this. You can add the logos, and if you upgrade, you will be able to upload more of them. Here this is the designs that I have done previously. Similarly, once you start editing logos, the designs will show up here, and if you want to upload all the different logos, then you can click on operate to upload mode. This will take you to the Canva Pro features. Here you can see, if you want, then you can click on try it for 3 days and then continue with Canva Pro. So we talked about logos, let's go on more. Here you can see lots of things, how to create something new, more from Canva, which gives you access to even more content to create something amazing designs. Discover content from Brandfake, Emoji, Giphy, Google Maps, and others. You can also import your media from Airbox, brand folders, binder. These are all the different options so that you can go to the Canva pages for this. Now going to the elements. If you click on elements, it will give you lots of different options that will be really helpful for any design you make in your video. Here, let's go to one of these. Now let's say if you want to add some of the elements that you like, it can be a line or shape, it can be any of the graphic as you see the examples here, or it can be some of the photos and videos as well. Also, as I talked earlier, if you want to add audio to your music, simply click on here. It can be from the elements or it can be your own. Now you can see the audio file here.